Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. If you're interested in sending in photos for this is the email address right here at the bottom. Make sure you put subscriber photos or something like that as the title of the email so I'll know that that's what it is. If I missed anyone, I apologize. There were quite a few photos from this past month. I believe I've got them all though, but it's always possible that I've missed them. Make sure if you're taking photos for this, turn your phone sideways to take the photos and make sure it's widescreen because that's how YouTube is. And a lot of people are watching on their televisions in HD, so make sure you send me a pretty large file. If you do have a large file, don't downsize it because I have to blow them back up and then they look pixelated on somebody's large television. And I want your photos to look the best that they can. Okay, that's enough of that. Last Sunday, I do the subscriber video the first Sunday of every month. The rest of the Sundays I've been doing question and answer videos. Last Sunday's video was an introduction to a giveaway for some Corona pruners that I'll be doing the drawing for next weekend. So if you can go back to last Sunday's video and make sure that you make a comment below that video to be entered. Also go over to Instagram and follow me over there and make a comment on that. Find that photo. It's about 6 or 7 photos back now of the Corona pruners and make a comment there for a chance to win there. Just in case you missed that video from last week, there's another upcoming giveaway that'll be a plantsbymail.com giveaway later in September. And it will be related to some travel that I'm doing later in the month. I'm going to do an unboxing video from Plants by Mail, and then you guys watching will have a chance to win some of the plants that I am unboxing. I also will be taking some of the plants that I'm unboxing on the road and giving those away as part of a tour that I'm doing in the fall. And the last weekend in September, I am in Charlotte and Raleigh, and then the first weekend in October, I'm in Lexington, South Carolina, and Atlanta, and then possibly other stops from there going further south down to the Gulf. But I'm going to link those events down at the bottom of this video if you're interested in going to those events. I'll have giveaways at those events. I'm going to go over lots of foundation plants. I'll help you shop. I'll stick around for a while, and you know, after I talk and show you around the garden center and you know, answer questions or whatever. But I'll be at these locations for a while. But like I say, Raleigh, Charlotte, Lexington, South Carolina, Atlanta are the 4 that I know, and those events will be linked down at the bottom of this video. This week, I've got a video coming out, a tree tour of this yard, all the trees that I have put into this yard over the years. I think that'll be an interesting tour video. And then I'm going to do a tour of the entire yard. I've actually pine strawed and gotten this place looking pretty good. My repairs to this house from some hail damage that I had 3 or 4 months ago are still not complete. So I haven't been able to list this house for sale yet, but hopefully this week is the week they're doing my siding. Everything else has been done. Pretty much the outdoor spaces is ready to go, but I thought I would do a tour before I leave here. And then there's 20 or 30 videos that I'm doing here before I go that are plants that I've planted over the last year and just kind of updates on them. Show you how they look before I leave here. So anyway, take a look down at the bottom, and if you're in the area of North Carolina or South Carolina or Georgia, I'd love to see you come out to one of these events this fall. And don't forget to go back and look at that video from last week and make sure you put your name in the hat for those Corona pruners, and then look for the upcoming video on the plantsbymail.com giveaway, because like I said, most of the things I'm going to be doing in the month of September will be related to foundation plants and picking plants for foundations. Lots of video content for that kind of thing coming out. Here are the Subscriber Sunday photos. Bye.